Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Leaf headlight. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. Next, open the hood and disconnect the negative terminal from your 12-volt battery to prevent any electrical issues. Make sure you have your basic tools ready, such as a 10mm socket wrench and a plastic trim removal tool, which will make the process much smoother. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove several plastic clips and screws that secure the top of the front bumper cover. Use your trim removal tool for the clips and a screwdriver for the screws. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover forward just enough to create space. This will expose the 3 primary bolts that hold the headlight assembly firmly in its position. With the bumper slightly pulled back, you can now easily access and unscrew the 3 10mm bolts. Once these bolts are removed, the headlight assembly will be loose. Gently pull the entire headlight unit forward, being careful not to scratch the paint. This action will expose the electrical connectors at the back, which you'll need to carefully disconnect by pressing their release tabs. Once all electrical connections are free, carefully maneuver the headlight assembly out of its housing. It might require a slight wiggle, but it should come out smoothly. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all bolts are securely tightened and electrical connectors are firmly attached. Remember to reconnect your battery. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial future, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.